Okay. So now, okay. Now what I was asking earlier, when we were running MRP, system was taking the details coming from the metal master data, right? Was that clear?
Yes, sir. Material master data, yeah.
Okay. Now that metal master data was taking, because in MD01N MRP run, when we are doing it, we selected that planning parameter, that one option, planning mode. Go back in the screen.
Okay.
Go
Now
back
I
to the
understand.
screen.
Yes. Okay. This is what I did not understand.
The
Okay.
scheduling, no?
This
Here
one?
we are selecting one. Earlier we used to select one, then running MRP. So system was running MRP and giving that based on the master data. But now we selected two and ran MRP. Right? So what is
So
expected
2 is
normally?
to lead now. So 2 is for scheduling then. Okay, for
One is also scheduling, yeah, but
scheduling.
that is
Okay,
based on
understood,
the
sir.
master data. But this is based on the lead time. What is that defined in the routing?
Okay.
Close
Understood.
this.
Okay, sir.
Now, what do we expect from the planned order? So in planned order, we need to have some changes. Now go back to that MD04 for gearbox. You are already there, yeah. One page is there, no?
I was inside. Okay,
You are
but
already
I
in
am
the
inside.
gearbox page. Okay, so this is the stock requirement list now. Now you select the planned order.
Select, so you want me to open it, sir?
Yes, display it. So now you can see there is a fourth tab. Here,
Yes.
there is a detailed scheduling. And before that, in the header array, go to the header here.
Oh, sorry.
In the header page, see in the other dates, there is no change. In the other dates, there is no change. Okay, 23rd August. But in case of production dates, there is a change. For example, basic date, they remain the same. But the production dates, they are starting on 21st August at 6 o'clock. And it is completing on 23rd August 1423. That is as per the routing of this material. We'll have 50 pieces. Then let us check this routing and all later. But this is what now it is changing there. It is now based on the routing. Earlier in the screenshot, what you took, that would have been blank, the production dates. Go and check that screenshot.
I will show you the screenshot, sir. Yes, sir. My screenshot is here. Can you see?
No.
Yes, they are blank.
They are blank. Okay. Now come
You
here.
can't
Because earlier it was
blank.
taking
Yes,
only
sir.
the metal mass, but now we are taking this, and also this fourth tab is also not here. Detailed scheduling.
Correct.
Now you click on the detailed scheduling. So here it is showing that what is the detailed thing. For example, it is starting at 6 o'clock, the first operation, and it is completing by 21st August at 21:24. Then the second operation, it is starting at 21st August 21:24, That is completing on 23rd August 1423. Are you able to get where I am reading? That is the scheduling result of planned order, the bottom table. You see the bottom table. The second half there is a table.
Okay, so now I see. Okay.
Please
Yes, sir.
keep the cursor there. See, now we are having this, the first operation, because this is now become a forward scheduling. It is starting from 21st August at 6 o'clock in the morning. And to complete these 50 pieces, based on the routine time, it has to be completed by 21-24 on 21st. And then on 21st August, it is starting at 21-24. It will be completing by 23rd August at 14-23. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the difference between the selecting that planning mode, scheduling, no, 1 or 2. That is the difference here. Even when you're running MRP, the impact of this is scheduling here. If you're selecting one, system will consider only that material master in-house production time, irrespective of the quantity. But when you are selecting this second, that lead time scheduling and capacity planning, system will consider the quantity and routing time, then it will do the scheduling. That will be more accurate. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Now you go back. Okay. So next is that, let us see. Okay. That is the planned order. Now we want to see the list of planned orders in the system. How many planned orders created? How can we see the list of planned orders in the system? How do we find out list of planned orders? See, I explained you just a minute. I explained you independent requirement here, dependent requirement here, how planned order is generated like this. The same concept is applicable for all the materials. Okay. Only thing is, for purchase items, it will be showing here as the purchase request. That's it. For example, here you put CP101, for example. The metal master, in the MD04, you put CP101.
Oh, okay. Yes. Can you see my screen, sir?
No, wait. It is yet to
We
refresh.
can't hear you, sir.
Sorry. Now I am able to see the screen. See
so, yeah,
here.
Okay, sir. So CP1001. Yeah.
Yes. Now you see all these things are showing us dependent requirement only here.
Correct.
Why? Everything is showing us.
So this is not an in-house production item, sir.
Huh?
This is not an in-house production item.
So?
And
sir, it means for the purchasing item, we cannot maintain the forecast independent requirements, sir.
Okay. Independent.
No, we can. We can. Yeah.
No, but here I am asking, it is showing all dependent requirements. It is not showing any independent requirement. Why?
It's from the because purchase item we cannot have the independent requirements, sir. We purchase and we'll keep it on the stock.
No, we can have independent requirement, but we have not maintained independent requirement for this item, so it is not showing here.
Correct. Yes, sir.
We can maintain but we have not maintained. If we maintain independent requirement for CP 1001, it will show here. But we have not maintained, so it is not showing. But it is showing dependent requirement. This is showing dependent requirement of what?
Correct.
Of what?
Dependent requirement of input IP 1001,
Yes.
sir.
Correct. Because the CP 101 is going to be used in IP 101, so it is showing the dependent requirement only for CP 10 IP 101. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So reading this MD04, you have to read them again and again, again and again, again and again to have clarity. You have MD04 in your organization now, Sigmund.
Sorry, sir.
You have MD04, right? You are using MD04.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please use these MD04 functions and try to understand the individual elements which are there in the MD04 of your company. This is very important for you.
When I first started using SAP in my company, that was the transaction we were using a lot. And the MRP element over here, I asked so many people to explain. Well, I got explanation from many. Some of them, they did not know what were the things, but after asking, I managed to find out, because we have a lot of MRP elements in our this.
The MRP elements, if you see here itself, you see many things, right? Put F1 there, you find out many things, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
We saw that, right? Put F1 now. See here, how many MRP elements are there?
Yes,
You have to explore them and find out which are all the MRP elements, which are the
my
things you are using.
correct, sir.
You have to explore these things. No, maybe initially people can tell there is MRP element and all, but what is the MRP element? What is the meaning of that MRP element? Where is it coming from? Where is it going to? All these things you need to explore further to learn it properly. Do you understand?
Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now please close this. Now I want to see what are all the planned orders available in the system. How do I see that? As part of MRP output, we discuss this.
I do not know the T code for this.
As part of MRP run output, we discuss this point. I am asking it again. I want to see all the planned orders available in system. How do I see that? If I don't know the transaction, what should I do?
I will go to the path.
Exactly. Go to the path.
Okay. Logistics. Then material management.
We are talking about planned order, which is related to production planning. So which is the area you have to open?
In the production. Production planning.
Yes.
Pigment, you opened the production process. Kani was telling again and again production.
MRP, no? MRP plan.
Stop.
Production. One step higher. One step higher.
Okay.
Production planning. Or MRP. Planned order.
MRP, right? Okay.
Planned order. Display. On display. collective MD16.
So MD16 is the transaction. If you want to remember the transaction, you can remember. Otherwise, what you should do? You should explore this through this menu path. That is why I normally suggest people not to remember the transactions, but explore them. The point is, you will be able to automatically remember this after some time. Okay, right. Now you are giving the radio buttons, which means you can select one of these options to see the list of planned orders for the selected item. Like either for a selected MRP controller, or for the selected material, or for the selected production version, whatever it is. Now let us go for the material or MRP controller. Go to the MRP controller. So now what is the MRP controller? We can see. So here we have two things here to see the plan. One is that S01 finished goods, another is S02 semi-finished goods. If you go to S01 finished goods, we will be seeing gear motor and gearbox. If I go to S02, I will be seeing input and output. Okay. Now open this S02. Okay. Go inside. So this is showing all the planned orders.
It is giving the plan orders for everything.
No, IP and OP, not everything. MRP controller for VS02. Because MRP controller, it was used by you, used by me, used by Kani also. When you run MRP, no, it is giving all the results. See, now it is showing all the S002. Now you scroll down. Scroll down here.
Scrolling down, sir.
Yeah. See, it is showing S003.
Can you see?
Then it is showing TRNG.
TRNG.
Okay. So it is showing all the plan orders here. Are you getting it? So this is showing all the plan orders. Now, if the planner has to process on priority some planned orders, which planned orders he has to take? Now there is a list of around 50-60 planned orders here. Are you getting me? Are you hearing me?
Based on date, sir. Based on recent dates.
What is the date you have to select?
Order finish date, sir.
Order finish date. Okay. Or
start date. Sorry,
start date or open date. Something
or
you have to
start
take.
date, which is
So now you have to understand what is the open date,
yes, sir.
What is the start date, what is the finish date. So our target should be finish date, nothing should be in past. Finish date, nothing should be in the past.
Yes, sir.
And then we should ensure that there is no start date in the past. After that, we have to come to the opening date. That should be the live. For example, opening date this week. That should be. That is how you have to train your planning people, the business users, to use this report. Are you getting it?
So could you repeat, sir? So could you repeat this, sir, please?
Can you repeat this, Kani?
Yeah, actually, we need to tell the user that none of the date should be in the past.
Perfect. Okay.
Like open date, order end date, and order finish date.
Okay.
See, the finish date past means what? You should have finished, but you have not finished. That is a dangerous thing. So there should not be any order in the system with order finish date in the past. Select that column.
I can't select.
Correct. I think it's not working. I think it's maybe here at the bottom, no, the date, some date you put the cursor there. Then no, in any of the date put the cursor. Then use that ascending, descending in the top left icon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, fifth one. Click that. Yes. Now it is order finish date. Now that column is in the. Now scroll up.
Down, sir.
Top only, no? Up. Scroll up.
Yeah, I'm on the top, sir.
Okay. See, which means there are some planned orders which are having the finish date up to 18th August. See the first 10 line items approximately.
Yes.
They are with the finish date of 18th August, which means they are all very, very critical now. I should have completed on 18th August, but still I have not completed. It should be nil. Right. Once this is cleaned, then I should not have any order which are having the past date, start date. Because I have to start today or tomorrow. I should not start yesterday or something like that. Like that, no, we should tell the people what is the logic they should follow. You're getting?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now, from here itself, we can convert a planned order to production order. From here itself, we can convert a planned order to production order. For example, your planned order is what? S002, right? So you select that S02 IP101, which is appearing the 10th or 11th row. Select the line item.
This one, sir, right?
Select the line. If you have to select the line, you have to select that. Yes, right? Now select it. Now you can convert it to production order using the button which is on the top.
This one.
Yes, but let us not do it as of now. We will do it later. Okay, there is option here. From here we can convert it to production order. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
MD16 to show all planned orders in the system.
Okay. Now there is another transaction. When go to the menu path.
Okay.
Right now, convert to production order. See that the second after this, the second next one. Convert to production order. I told you.
Oh. Yeah, got it.
Yes. Here you can select that CO41 collective conversion. See here you have the options. See which plant, which MRP area, MRP controller. Because we use MRP controller S02, it is appearing here. Now there is a opening date here. You can see in the selection parameter there is opening date. You can see that or not?
I can't see. I'm trying to find out. Open. Oh yeah. Okay, sir.
Opening date. Okay. So now this is another tool where people can use it. That what is the meaning of opening date? Opening date is the date in which the product planned order has to be taken. It has to be analyzed, created, released to the shop floor. That is the opening date period. Correct?
Created, released to the shop floor.
This is what coming from the schedule margin key. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so we told no, we should not maintain 0. We should use 5 or 10. That is something like that. You use it. No, I asked you to same some changes. So no problem. Now let it be 0 or something. But the concept I'm telling you. Now, if opening date means I have to process it. So I am in the week now. For example, today I am on 20th August. I want to have all the orders which are having the opening date until 21st August in my list. Because by 21st August, whatever the things I have to process, if I process and then release it, then I can release these orders into the shop floor on the right time. That is the meaning. So the opening date, no, in the 2 area, the field 2 from 2, no? 2, put the 21st August.
21st. Yes, okay, sir.
Okay, enter. Then execute. Now system has brought all the planned orders which I should open and convert them into production orders, then process it. This is the list of planned orders to production orders. I have to select.
And this is for those ones that I need to complete before the 21st of August.
No, need not be, because some items may be having 10 days lead time. Some items may be having 2 days lead time. Some items may be having 20 days lead time. The finishing date may be anything, but based on the schedule, right? If one item is having 20 days lead time, for example, but that 20 days lead time is, that is, I have to finish it on 31st August. 20 days before means I have to start it on when? 11th August.
10th of, 10th, 11th of August, correct.
Right. Then that item also will appear here. If another item is having only 2 days lead time, then the item which I have to complete on 22nd, that will also appear here. So it is not with respect to that finish date. Huh?
Okay.
It is not with
understood.
respect
So
to
21st of August. Sorry, sir. So, I have a little confusion here. So the 21st of August is not the finish date, but it is something that we need to start because the finish date may have a different finish date, but the lead time may be longer, but we need to do it now so that we can get to the finishing date. Correct, sir?
Correct.
I understand. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, we need to do it now so that we don't get late. Okay. Sorry, sir, you carry on.
Right. So now it is not with respect to finish date here. It is with respect to the opening date. See here, there are items which are having that open date, and there are items, no, because we are having everything as the same in-house production time. Here you are not able to find out the difference. But if you put in-house production time for IP, for example, 5 days, and then OP you put 2 days, then you run MRP, then you come and check, you will find out the difference here. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Hello?
In that case, we have open date on 15th and 17th for many items like IP and OP. Can we reschedule it in the future? Because past we cannot do that. Opening date in the past.
That's what, no. See, that if I run MRP, automatically it will reschedule.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
And Kani, here please note, the items which are having S003, please refer the column, no, the last but 3 column. That is called the production. You please put that cursor there. I want to see that header name, last but 3, before sales order. Column here, last but 3 column. Header. Header.
Header here.
What is the name of before that?
This one, production supervisor.
Supervisor. See, here you have not filled the production supervisor for S003 items here. These are all blank for all S03 items. Can you please take note of it?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Also, you should fill the production scheduling profile. I don't know whether you fill them or not. If you don't fill them properly, you will not be able to convert them to production order.
Got it.
If you don't fill them properly, you will not be able to convert them to production order. Okay, so this is the list. From here also, we can convert the planned order to production order. You can select the line item. Don't select TRNG anytime. If you want to select your material.
Sorry.
Deselect that. Okay, select it. And then there is a convert there.
Okay.
Okay, that is one option, right? That is also we can do. Don't do it now.
No.
Okay, so this is so from MD16 also we can select the required planned orders and convert them.
And from CO41 also we can convert.
CO41 also we can do it. So these are the options. Okay. Now I want you to do this conversion from MD04. Okay. These things you can do it maybe next week, but now please take MD04. Okay, now you are having the gearbox. I want you to convert that gearbox planned order to production order.
This one, 1070.
No, I don't want you to convert a big quantity. I want you to go with a small quantity. That in the last but one row, no, that 10 numbers.
Okay, sir.
10 number planned order. Okay, you have to select that item. Now convert to production order. See there is a first icon. When you are converting to purchase requisition to purchase order, there is only one tab.
Yeah, there's so many.
You saw that, no? Purchase request to purchase order only. But here we are having various icons. So this first icon is showing what? It is showing convert planned order to production order.
Production order.
If you keep the same thing on second, it is showing convert planned order to production order. Partial quantity.
This will come with a star.
That's what. Next is that conversion to process order, which is not applicable. And then partial, this one. The last option is convert into purchase requisition. If I want to convert this planned order to purchase requisition also, I can do it. That is the last option. Last option.
Last option, sorry.
If I want to convert this planned order. So this one will come when? Kani was telling, no, if I have both X is the procurement type. If X is procurement type means it may be in-house production item or it may be purchase item. X. In that context, system will always create planned order only. If you are putting procurement type as X, system will create planned order only. Then you can have an option either to convert that planned order to production order or to purchase requisition through this. Are you getting it? Hello?
I'm still processing, not clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. By default, it will create the planned order, not the purchase order. Purchase requisition.
See, the procurement type, the procurement type, no, what are the options available for procurement type segment?
One is F, one is L.
Procurement type I am asking here. Please close this.
F, sir. Another one is X.
Wait, close this.
Yeah.
Expand that material flag in this metal master here. Material, no, expand this. The FD04, the flag you have to expand here, material. I want to see the metal parameter of planning.
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting it. So where to go, sir?
I want to see the metal planning parameters of this particular material here, where I can see.
So MMO2, right, sir?
No. In this page itself, I told you where you can see the planning parameters.
Correct,
okay?
Correct. Yes,
right.
Yes, sir.
Now, there is a procurement type. This is E. So, what are the other options?
External procurement is F. Both procurement types is X. No procurement.
So, this X means That material may be produced inside or it may be purchased outside. Both options are there.
Do
you understand?
Yes, sir.
See, there are items where I am sure they are only in-house production item. Then I put E. There are some items where I am sure that I am going to buy only from outside. For that, I put F. But there are some items which I am not sure I am going to produce inside, I am going to buy outside. I can put X. Because there are both options. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because this situation is available in many companies. Even Kani was telling that I think they are having this kind of things.
Yes, sir.
Now close this. If we are using this X, what will happen? System will give by default planned order. It will not give the purchase request. Do you understand, Sigmund?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now close this metal master parameters. So now that is why, in the planned order we have these options, for production order, partial production order, process order, partial process order, purchase request. Process order is not relevant to me. For us, the relevance are production order, partial production order, and purchase request. Only these things are for us, but that also purchase request we are not going to use. We'll be using production order and partial production order. First, I will tell you only the production order. Okay. Now these 10 quantity we took, convert it to production order. Click on this.
Plan order 1076
Production
not
order
found.
not found. Okay, go back. Refresh this
Why?
page.
Yeah, it
Okay.
changed.
That's what.
I know, sir, because this is my old MD04 screen.
Okay,
After I
okay.
ran
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Proceed. Okay, now please proceed.
Okay.
Now it is taking you to the creation of production, but it is telling order as missing parts.
Oh dear.
Order as the missing part. Why is it telling? Click on this. Okay, you put. Right now, system was telling there was a missing parts. How do we find out? There is a menu, right? Go there. Go to.
So we have 1 minute 40 seconds.
Okay. Then go to the missing parts.
Okay.
Here, left side you see missing part list. Select it. Here system is telling these are all the items which are missing. 200 of lubrication oil, 40 of this hexagonal bolt. These things are the system are telling missing. Why it is showing missing and all, I will tell you later.
Okay, sir.
Or if you want, you can find out yourself. Go back.
Because we don't have any stock before 38, sir.
No.
Before 38.
I don't know. Well, let us do the analysis, then show you that. Go back. Okay. Now, okay, system is missing, but no problem. I want to proceed with that. Anyhow,
Less than 1 minute, sir.
That's what. Let us stop the
minute.
session here. Maybe we'll continue
Okay,
for another 10-15 minutes. No, sorry, after another 5 minutes, we'll resume. Okay.
Okay.